Morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, 21st of February, 23. Light trading yesterday, just a Globex only on the holiday. The Astro Excel's tracking pretty well here. As you can see, the green line from Friday, we trekked downward Friday. We had the late rally. That was in sync with the green line there. Then we came into Sunday night. We opened up a little bit higher, and then we went into this slow sideways downward drift through the holiday, which is where we are now. We've just picked up a little volatility here in the last 4 hours. We made a slightly lower low so far. The downward pressure is going to continue as we double bottomed on the green line, as I mentioned yesterday. So the forecast was for the low the 22nd. It's possible it could come today. But we've got downward pressure as we double bottom until the early morning of the 22nd, and then we start to move back up from there. So we should be out of this quiet period now. We should see some volatility increasing. We've made a new low overnight. Expect downward pressure to continue. Looking at the Astro Excel chart, you can see last week right here, the price lines I put in 2 weeks ago were still working fairly well. As we go in today, we've got kind of neutral pressure. We don't have any timing windows coming in until late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then as we move into the 22nd, we have these two important timing windows, which is where we should bring in this expected low. Slide the chart over a little bit. You can see as we move into the 22nd here, on the A2 panel we've got the white and bright green, and then we have the white window on the B1. And then late on the 22nd we have this really nice overlay of timing windows right there in the early evening part of this session. Like to see that more in the day session, but we could get that important low on the 22nd tomorrow, where the green A2 overlaps the white B1, and then we have that wider A3 window white late on the 22nd here as we move into the 23rd, with that white and green on the A2 and the green on the B1. So that's all lining up pretty nicely. So let's watch and see how this plays out.